G'day guys, so we're back here with Greg from Cutek, and the reason we got Greg back here is because we've just finished this restoration project and we're absolutely blown away with the Cutek products. So Greg, can you tell us a little bit about Cutek? What is Cutek, how long have you been around, and what do you do?
Sure. Cutek is it's a family business. Was established probably about 35 years ago. It was an originally developed product in New Zealand. And it was developed there to mitigate against the effects of moisture on timber or timber-clad houses.
Well, that's a good place to do it.
Absolutely. I mean, if they don't have issues with rain, I don't know who does. So, and basically after that, they came to Australia, set up a factory and started to manufacture. So it's a factory that is located here in Brisbane. So it's Australian owned, Australian made, and we export to 5 continents throughout the globe.
That's awesome, Greg. And look, to be honest, as a builder, 26 years, I've never come across Cutek, and I'm so glad I have, because just seeing the results that we got on this project is absolutely fantastic. So thanks for telling us a little bit about Cutek.
No problem.